Hello, this is Christian Technology, and in this video tutorial I'll be going to show you how you can hide the taskbar on your Windows 11 and 10 device. First, right-click on your Windows icon and select Settings. Then, click on Personalization, click on Taskbar, click on Taskbar Behavior, and select Automatically Hide the Taskbar. This will automatically hide the taskbar on your desktop. If you want the taskbar to appear again, just move your mouse where the taskbar is. If you want the taskbar to disappear again, just move your mouse outside the taskbar. And if you want to disable this option completely and make your taskbar stay on all the time, just disable this option again. And that's how you can hide your taskbar on your Windows computer. If you have questions, please comment on the comment section below and I'll be glad to help you on your issue. This is Christian Technology and I'll be seeing you on the next video.